Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on Twitter two-factor authentication via text message. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Twitter application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Twitter app, click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. And find the settings and privacy. Click settings and privacy. Okay guys, here in settings and privacy, click account. And okay guys, in account, click security. Okay guys, here in security, you can see the two-factor authentication. Click this. And okay guys, here in two-factor authentication, you can see the three-step authentication. Okay guys, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to turn on via text message. So okay guys, you only have to do is click the square on the right side of text message. Okay, but before that, okay, use your mobile phone to receive a text message with an authentication code to enter when you log into Twitter. Okay guys, click the square on the right side. Okay guys, two-factor authentication. Protect your account with two-factor authentication in just 2 steps. So okay guys, the first one is verify your mobile phone number and receive a text message with a confirmation code. Number 2 is enter the confirmation code to turn on two-factor authentication. So okay guys, to turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is click get started button. Okay guys, to get started, first enter your Twitter password to verify it's really you. All you have to do is enter your password here. Okay guys, after you enter the password, click verify button. And okay guys, verify your phone number. Receive a text message with a confirmation code on your mobile phone. You'll use the code to verify this is really your number. So okay, all you have to do is click send code button. Okay guys, enter the confirmation code. Okay guys, after you enter the confirmation code, you all have to do is click next button. And you're all set. You'll receive a text message with an authentication code to enter when you log into your Twitter. Save this single-use back code in a safe place. So okay, this is backup code lets you log into Twitter if you can't receive a text message or don't have access to any of your other two-factor authentication methods. So okay, and after that, click got it button. Okay guys, we have successfully turned on the two-factor authentication via text message. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.